minutes late. No, 26 minutes. See her. See her.
They will give me food and play Mona Lisa.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag too. Oh.
Welcome to Chuches Mine.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love.
Please subscribe, I'm hungry.
Good afternoon to you. I'm going to Grandma's house. From there I'm going to meet Chef Daki. But what I'm wearing, I know Grandma is not going to approve of it. It's like Taco Tuesday is becoming our norm. I don't vlog all the time, but I vlog once in a while. I'm going to try my best to actually like... Don't hit my car, please. Yeah, I'm going to try my best to actually vlog, like show you guys around, because on a normal day I don't do that. On a normal day I don't do that, but today I'm like, okay, try and vlog. I also want to do like a small mini Instagram vlog, guys, because of school I've not had time for anything. For the past 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks, I've been busy with school, like making a short film. To be honest, I'm not really proud of the short film, like from the edits and everything, and then from some of the rushes I've seen. I'm just like, I thought I did better. Well, unfortunately I didn't do better, but it's fine. Like, there's a first time for everything. This is like my first proper short film. It's good. I've learned my lesson, and I'm still going to be learning more lessons in future anyway. But I just feel bad, like out of focus, not in frame. It's plenty. It's plenty. I had good shots, but it's like the good shots I had, they're not good enough for the storytelling of the visuals. Like, I've not been on here to talk to you guys, like have a conversation. I missed you guys so much. It's not easy not being on YouTube, like not vlogging, because I'm so used to talking to you guys like almost every other day or every day. But now it's like they take time. They take time. People will see that someone is on the road, you are still reversing. Where's your brain? Before I be doing road rage, Jay, calm down. I'm super excited because I get to talk to you guys today. And I'm going out with Chef Taki. Somebody's son is going to find me today. I'm giving you guys looking room. And I also feel like I've not had makeup on in a long while, which is true. So I'm feeling like a beautiful princess. I'm feeling like a fine gay. Fine baby. You know when you look like close up, when you look at my face properly, it feels like this makeup is trash. But on camera, it's looking like, is that you? I don't think so. And even when I'm taking pictures on Instagram and Snapchat, it's like... And once again, who is here and who is not here? Yay! I just like it when Edak is always like, oh, I'll come early, I'll be here before you. It's only that one time we went to... I forget the name. I forgot the name, but I just want to speak like I forget the name. Yes, that one time we went to, I don't know where we went to, La Brioche. And Edak was like, what did she say? Edak was early. So that's just that one time. I'm not going to Grandma's house again because I had to prove my point to Edak that I always come out before her. She was like, we should be here at... She said that we should be here at 5 o'clock. The time was either 5 o'clock or 5:30. Then she was like, okay, because I called her like 30 minutes ago. I was like, okay, what time should we meet? And she was like, okay, let's meet at 5 o'clock. Okay, let's meet at 5:15. No, 5 o'clock. It's not 5 o'clock. Chef Daki, where you at? Because of how I put makeup on today. Or to be honest, I just felt like I haven't put makeup on. I've not been looking that pretty. I know I'm fine without makeup, but I felt like I wasn't prettier. So hence why the makeup. I was waiting in the car for her as usual. Instead of me going inside to sit down and get a table for us, I'll just wait for her in the car till she comes. She's 25 minutes late. No, 26 minutes. See the time. See her. See her. You guys, I love her. I think there was actually there.
It wasn't my fault, there was traffic.
See her. See her. After how many years? Wait, I need to report. I need to report this girl. I was still recording.
Thank you.
We've come to buy them.
How are you?
Hello.
Fine. How's it been?
I've been good, and you?
Bless God.
What was this machine for?
This one.
Edak used to work here.
This side.
Before, because then I used to work. Please, can I get a donut? Ucheche, what do you want?
What donuts do they have?
They have salted caramel, vanilla cream, Nutella, and jam.
I think let's try vanilla.
Granola. Do you like granola? You know, when I left my house, quarter to five.
You know, I was doing that to go to my grandmother's house. Like, let me just come here to prove that I always come before Chef Daki.
Guys, there was so much traffic. I was not expecting traffic.
I swear, traffic today is just crazy.
See? She agrees with me. I left my house quarter to
I left my
five.
house early.
I didn't know there would be traffic. You know, every time I come, there's never any traffic.
Excuses. Excuses.
What can I do? What can I say?
Excuses.
Chop Life Crew, Jai times 2. After
If you want to kill Edak, food is our option. I think if they want to kill you, they should give you food.
They will give me food and play Mona Lisa. Then you have to.
She has almost finished her food.
I just started.
Okay, she has started. Me, my one is still here. I got quesadilla. What did you get?
Ensalada.
Ensalada. The place is getting packed in this rich.
Uma Lagoon, only one life, cause it's part 2.
There's so much cheese on this thing. Now you guys see. I can't even do baby in peace.
Chop Life Crew, Jai times 2. After round 1, she want that 2.
Please subscribe, I'm hungry.